Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using Android Studio, and like we have started the Android Studio series, and we have covered up many of the things in that, and we are also doing the Java videos with that. So today we are building an amazing Java project, and today I will be telling you that how we can just build an amazing project using Java. Moving forward, I will be telling you that what project we are building. So I hope you will be enjoying this project also which we are building. So if you enjoy this video and if you understand this project from start, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn, and also share this video so more people can learn about these projects which we are building through different languages. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we are just using Java in our project and what project we are building today in Java. So just like I'm telling you that we'll be just building an amazing project here, and today I'm not telling you that in the starting what project we are building. So today we are building an amazing product record system. So now we'll be starting with this and seeing that how we can build this amazing product record system using Java. So for building this amazing product record system, we have to make new window here. After making the new window, you have to just directly open your folder, and my folder is on desktop. So you can see there is my folder product record system in Java. So I will be directly opening this folder here. After opening this folder, you can see we are getting all these files, so we'll be working on these files. So this is my main file which I am getting here. So I will be now removing all the things from here because we will be working with our main file. So I will be directly moving here, and then I will be removing these all things. After removing this, you have to directly remove this thing also, means this is the name, and here you can write directly your name like this, and you can just close it, save it here. Then here you can just set the title as well. Here I've just set the title of code test, but I will be now changing it to product record system like this. Now after setting this title, you can just save this file and you can move on. And here we are getting all these things. So I will be now moving on to my desktop, and on desktop we were getting the folder of product record system. So I will be directly opening this. After opening this, here I will be now doing it side by side, so we can just work with our folders here. So now we are getting all this stuff in this product record system. I will be now pressing Ctrl B to close side panel. These are the things which we are getting in our amazing product record system. So I will be now moving on to this main file here, which is the test file. In this test file, you will be getting all the things about this. So here I will be removing this, all the things from here in this test file. Then move here, press Ctrl B to close side panel, save it and reload. All the things has been removed from here. Now you have to just create a header tag in this, and after creating a header tag, here you have to now just make a class in this header tag. In class, I will be now writing container. Then you have to write here pt4 and then pb3. Now here you have to move down, write h1, and in h1 I will be writing the class of fs2 fw bold. Then here in center I will be writing fruits. So here I will be now writing fruits products like this. Then you have to just move down, and here you have to create div class here, which should be line w100, means width 100. Then mt2 I will be writing an mb3. And then you have to just do one thing. I will be moving down, right here section class container, right here div class bg body. Then I will be now writing here py5. Then right here text center. Then you have to just create a h2 here as well, and then you have to give it the class, and in class I will be writing fs3. Then you have to write here fw bold. Then you have to now write text decoration, and here you have to now write underline like this. After writing underline, you have to write here mb5. Then you have to now just write here data of products. So here I will be writing. Then you have to now just write two dots here, and then here you have to now write input. Here I will be directly removing this type text because I will be not needing this, and then I will be writing id p name. And after writing id p name, here you have to write type text like we have written previously. Then you have to write here placeholder product name. So I will be writing here product name. Then give it the class here, which will be form control. So here I will be now writing form control like this. Then here you have to just write mb2, write here w75 means width, and write mx auto. Then when you've written this, write here div id, which should be alert name. Then you have to now write here class alert, and write here alert, and then write danger. Then when you've written this p2, and write here means w75 width 75, write here mx auto, then write here d none. Then when you've written this, here you have to write should be. So here I will be writing consisting. Then I will be now moving down. After this, write here of a statement. Then you have to write here consist of a capital letter. So here I will be writing. Then you have to write and 2-10 small letters. Now you have to write 3 dots, and after this you have to just close it by writing it here. Then when you've written this, you have to write here input. Then you have to just directly remove this and then write here id, which should be p, and write here price. Then you have to write type number like this. Then write here placeholder, and in placeholder you have to write product price like this. Then write here 3 dots, and here you have to write class, which should be form control. And after writing form control, you have to write mb2 and then write here w75. Then you have to write here mx auto. Then after writing this, you have to just directly move down, write here div id alert, and then you have to write here alert price like this. Then you have to write class alert, then you have to write alert, then write danger like this. Write here p2, then w75 mx auto. Then you have to write here d none. Then you have to now just write here should be, and then here I will be writing in range. Now when you've written this, write here from like this, write 50-10,000 like this. Now when you've written this, you have to write this colon, and then you have to close it. After closing this tag, here you have to just now move down and write here input again like this, and write now id again. Remove this type text, we'll be moving forward, then we'll be writing this thing. Then I will be writing pcat, right here type text, like we have removed that. Then you have to give it the placeholder, write here product category, and after writing this product category, you have to write 2 dots. Then I will be writing here class form control. Then you have to now write here mb2, write here w means width 75, and write mx auto. Now when you've written this, you have to write here div id and write here alert and write cave. Now you have to write here class, which should be alert. Then I will be now writing here danger, and here you have to write p2 w75. Then I will be writing mx auto, and here you have to write d none means display none, you can say that. Then I will be writing here should be same product. Then I will be just now writing here name like this. After writing this, you have to write 3 dots, and then you have to now take this close div and directly close it here, reload. So you can see we are getting all these things here like we have written. Then you have to write here directly text area tag, and then here I will be now in the id, I will be writing here p description, which is the short form of that. Then remove this column and rows, and directly I will be now writing here placeholder. In placeholder, you have to just write product. So here I will be now writing product description like this. Then you have to now just write here class, which should be like form control. So here I will be writing. Then you have to now write here mb2, write here w75 means width, then write here mx auto. Now when you've written this thing, just I will be doing now one thing like here. You have to move after the text area tag which we have written. So after moving forward, you have to just write here div class and write here buttons tag w75. Then I will be now just writing here mx auto. Then when you've written this, you have to just move down, write here div class row. Then I will be writing here g0. Now here you have to just write div class, and then I will be writing call6 and write text start. Now here I will be writing button class, and here I will be writing btn primary. So here I will be writing primary. Then you have to write mt3 p2. Then write here id, and in id I will be writing update, and here I will be writing btn. Then you have to just write here update and write here product like this. Then when you've written this thing, just you have to move down, and here I will be writing div class. Then you have to write here call6 text, and then you have to write here end. Then you have to now just directly move down after this tag, write here button class, and in class I will be writing btn primary, and then you have to write here mt3 me2. Then you have to write here p2. Then write here id here, which should be reset btn. Then in center I will be writing reset form. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to now write here button tag. Here I will be now writing class btn primary. Then write here mt3 and write here p2. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just directly writing here id, which should be add btn. Then here I will be in the center writing add product, like we have written reset button, or you can say reset form at the top. Now you have to just move after this 3 divs and write here again class. In class I will be now writing w75. So here I will be writing this. Write here mx auto. Then you have to move down, write here table, and in table I will be writing class. In class I will be writing table then I will be writing here stripe. Then when you've written this, you have to write empty4 text center. Then you have to now write here t head, and in t head I will be writing th index, and then you have to now move down right here th, write product name. So here I will be writing this product name here, then right here th. In th I will be now writing this time product price, and right here th like this, and then I will be writing here product. So here I will be now writing product category. So here I will be writing this. Then when you've written this, you have to move down right here th. Then you have to now write here product description, and then when you've written this, here you have to move down right here th update. So here I will be writing this, right here th, and then right here delete. Now when you've just written this, here you have to write tbody and write id, and in id I will be writing my table. Now when you've written this, here you have to just move down after this tag. Then you have to now just move after this section tag, right here div class line w100 means width 100 and my3. Then when you've written this, you have to just move down right here footer, and then when you've written this, you have to give it here class. So I will be removing this r from that because it will be just mistake if I just don't do that. Then right here container py3 text center, then move in this footer, and right here h3 class, and then you have to write here fs6, then write here fw bold. Now when you've written this, you have to just now write here @copy, then you have to now write here 2023 crores. So here I will be now writing product info. Then when you've written this, you have to write 2 dots, and here you have to now just do one thing, like here I will be saving it, then you have to reload. You can see we are getting all these things here. Now I will be just styling it, not too much because I've already styled that, so I will be just only styling it with the background colors which we want to get here. So I will be writing here 24353F, which is the background color. Then I will be writing bg body, and here you have to give it the background color again, which should be like RGB 95 138 160, and I will be writing here important. Then when you've written this, you have to write here h1 and write here comma h3. Then you have to write color of text C. Then write here line, and in line here you have to write height 0.05 rem, which is the line height. Then you have to write here background color, and here you have to write C. Then you have to now just write here after this tag, here I will be writing that thing, so I will be removing this. Then after this, you have to now write here @media screen, and then you have to write and min width. So here I will be writing 768 pixels. Then you have to just do one thing, you have to move down right here table tag, and in this table tag I will be now writing here width, which should be 100%. Then you have to just save this thing here, and here I will be writing important like this. Then here I have to just write this mark, save it here, reload. Now you can see we are getting all these things. Now if I just write any of the product name, like if I write item 1, or you can say like this, if I write item, so it is, you can see now when I've written this item 1, so it is saying me that you should consist of a capital letter and 2 to 10 small letters. So I'm just getting the capital letter but not 2 or 10 small letters. I'll be writing item. If I write like this, you can see now it is saying perfect. You can now add your product. You can add the product price. Here I will be writing 200. If you write directly 2, so you can see it is saying me that it should be 50 to 10,000 range of your price of your item. So I will be now writing it 2,000 like this. Then you can write the product category. I will be writing category like medicine, or you can say it is saying the same, so I will be writing item. Then you can write the product description like item is good product, like that. Now if I press add product, you can see your product has been added. So like this we can just create this thing. If you want to update this, you can press this update button. You will be getting your product here. You can change the price, means if your product price has been increased, so you can just write it 5,000 if you are having offer, and if you want to decrease your price, so you can take it to 1,000 2,000. You can also take it to 200 300 400, means you can do that. If I press update product, you can see now your product has been updated, and we are just now getting the product price 5,000 here. So here you can also delete your item by pressing this delete button. If I press, you can see now your item has been deleted. So like this you can just add your product by writing the product name, price, category and description, and then you can press add product to add your product. And if you want to reset the form, means if you have written these all things here like this, if I write And if I want to just remove that, so I will be directly pressing reset form here. After pressing reset form here, just like this, when you have just pressed reset form, you can see all the things has been removed from here. Like this you can do. So I hope you understand that how we are just doing these all things and what our product record system here. So if you have understand this product record system which we have just done using Java, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.